For this video, we are going to discuss on a graphical data presentation, which is the second part of 1.3. Right? The second part of data summary and presentation. So, even for graphical data presentation, before we can actually discuss on what kind of graph that can be used, you need to know what type of data that you are deal with. Right? That's how important it is for the first part. Okay? Because for graphical data presentation, you will need to determine whether it is qualitative or quantitative data. So because different type of data will actually use different kind of graphical data presentation. Okay, so for a qualitative data, which is a data that's in the form of nominal or ordinal, okay, the kind of chart, the kind of graph that being discussed in this book is bar chart and pie chart. I believe that you guys know what is bar chart, what is pie chart. Alright, you can see a detail of example in page 8. Alright, you have bar chart and pie chart there. So usually bar chart and pie chart being used interchangeably, right? It's just that when you want to see when you compare in terms of high, usually you use bar chart because at a glance you will see which one is higher, which one is lower. As for a pie chart, usually you want to see the percentage or which one is bigger, then you use pie chart. But then you can still use either one for either objective, it doesn't matter. Okay, but the one that we're going to focus on is actually quantitative graph. Okay, and in this book you have how many? 2, 4, 6 kind of data that we discuss here. But as you can see, I've actually highlighted these two, stem and leaf graph and box plot. Why? Because we are not going to discuss in detail for this four graph. Okay, because this graph is actually, how can I say this, the all kind of graph. Okay, as for stem and leaf, this is actually among the oldest. That's why I put it. We are going to discuss it, but I put it in yellow because it is not actually that important in your life later. But still, because we don't learn on how to draw a histogram within this subject, so we're going to use stem and leaf as an alternative for it. But however, the most important one is box plot. This is the graph that we are going to focus on how to develop and how to interpret everything. We are going to focus everything on box plot later. Okay, so that is about a graph. Okay, on our next video, I'm going to actually show you how to draw stem and leaf, how to actually construct stem and leaf graph. Okay, as for box plot, we are going to actually wait until after we reach the numerical data presentation, because in order for us to be able to draw box plot, you will first need to know some part of numerical data presentation. Okay, until then,